In a grand mansion nestled amidst ancient trees, a family maintained a sacred shrine. Within its hallowed walls, flickering butter lamps illuminated the serene face of the Buddha. But there was a problem. The shrine kept uninvited guests, a horde of mischievous mice. These audacious mice not only nibbled at the offerings, but also danced upon the sacred altar, their tiny paws treading where only the devout should tread. The family fretted, for their devotion was tainted by these impish creatures. Desperate for a solution, they adopted a cat named Samantabhadra. Samantabhadra, an old cat with a mysterious past, took up residence at the shrine's entrance. His eyes, half closed, gave the impression of deep meditation. The mice watched suspiciously. Days turned into weeks, and Samantabhadra did not strike. Instead, he sat, seemingly lost in mantra recitation.
Om mani padme hum. Om mani padme hum. Om mani padme hum. Om mani padme hum.
The mice marveled at this reformed killer, now a devotee. On the 15th day of the month, Samantabhadra's voice echoed through the shrine.
Listen, dear mice, I am Samantabhadra, once a fearsome hunter, but now I have renounced meat for 3 years. My ears fail me, but my heart beats with devotion. I vow to protect this shrine.
The mice gathered, fascinated. Samantabhadra continued, "Join me in prayer and offerings. I shall request cakes and grains from the landlord, sharing them with you." The mice believed him. Each day they lined up, their tiny paws clasped in respect. Samantabhadra, eyes closed, played his part well. But beneath his facade, he plotted. As the mice prayed, Samantabhadra's true nature emerged. When the last mouse approached, he jumped, silencing it swiftly. Then, with practiced precision, he covered the evidence with ashes. The mice remained blissfully unaware. The number of mice was dwindling. They became suspicious. The mice whispered among themselves. Was Samantabhadra truly reformed? They decided to test him. They crafted a necklace, a delicate string adorned with tiny bells. When Samantabhadra leaped, the bells would chime, revealing his true intentions. One moonlit night, as the shrine lay silent, Samantabhadra sprang. The bells jingled and the mice stirred. But Samantabhadra was too quick. He silenced the last mouse, ashes scattering. However, the mice had anticipated this. They had rigged the shrine walls with hidden traps. As Samantabhadra slept, the walls came alive. Tiny warriors, rat soldiers, charged forth. Their battle cry echoed, "For the shrine! For our kin!" Samantabhadra awoke, surrounded. The mice, armed with courage and cunning, cornered him. The necklace of bells hung heavy around his neck. The truth spilled forth. The cat's deception, the hidden kills. The mice spared Samantabhadra's life, but justice demanded a price. They stripped him of his title, leaving him a mere cat. And they coined a proverb, "Put a peg around the cat's neck." From then on, the shrine remained safe. The mice danced freely, and their praises echoed through the moonlit nights. Samantabhadra, humbled, guarded the shrine without malice. His eyes, no longer half closed, held a quiet wisdom, the wisdom of redemption. And so, in that sacred space, the cat and the mice found an unlikely harmony, a lesson etched into the shrine's walls. Cunning may deceive, but compassion prevails. May this tale remind us that redemption lies not in deception, but in genuine transformation.